250,000 years ago, a single mistake could get you killed, failing to gather food, breaking a tool, or losing a hunt. Back then, being excluded wasn't just awkward, it was a death sentence. We don't live in that world anymore, but your brain doesn't know that. It still treats mistakes like life-threatening risks, and every time you try something new, it kicks into survival mode, telling you, be careful, don't mess it up, your life depends on it. That paralysis, the second guessing, the hesitation, the need to get it right just before you start, that's what now we call perfectionism. In the book The Art of Learning, Josh Waitzkin says, growth comes at the point of resistance. We learn by pushing ourselves and finding what really lies inside. But your brain is not wired for growth. It's wired for survival. And when it sees a chance of failure, it slams the brakes. But what if the real problem is not you're a perfectionist, but that you're just using perfectionism as an excuse for not starting?